Welcome to Commons West. This is a 5-story apartment building on the western end of the Ithaca Commons. We're here today to see apartment 511, a studio on the 5th floor. Let's head on in. You enter into a hallway that opens up into your living area. The living area has 5 pieces of furniture: a dresser, a full-size bed, a bookcase, and a desk and desk chair. This apartment faces east, so you get lots of morning light even on a cloudy day. Every apartment is air conditioned and has a heating element. Facing the living area is your kitchen, a nice corner kitchen with an electric oven and range, a microwave, and a refrigerator, as well as your nice large closet. One great feature of Commons West is the intercom system, so you can buzz your friends up. We'll finish in the bathroom. A nice large bathroom with a shower tub combo, a vanity, a medicine cabinet, and a full wall mirror. Rent for Commons West apartments includes heat, water, and trash and recycling fees. Electricity is the tenant's responsibility, and high-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming on a tour of Commons West 511. Call us today for availability.